Hello, I'm Florentijn Hofman. I'm a sculptor. I mainly work in public space, but I also show my work in a gallery space, like here. I think if you live in the now, you cannot exclude yourself from being aware of the world that needs to be inclusive. My work is all about inclusivity. People join at the foot of my work. People gather around rubber ducks and installations I do in public space. And I think in order to emphasize on that, I came up with the idea of making Rainbow Bear Family, which is a family. A mother holds their babies, their children, and they cling on to each other and hold each other because that's what we need in a world, to hold on to each other. And we are all different. We have all different colors, but we are the same in that sense. Well, it was a long time ago when I had the idea, the concept for the rubber duck. I came up with the idea that the world became smaller and smaller due to internet and due to traveling. And I found the waters of the world to be our global bathtub. It needed a big rubber duck where we can play with, or it just floats on. It also made us connect as humans. We are one family. We live on this one planet, and these global waters in the world is our global bathtub. So it made us connect, and even more especially when the rubber duck came to cities or places, it instantly connected to the other places where it went to. So people, united by that. Yeah, well, it may seem innocence in my work. It's sure playfulness, but it always has like some deeper meanings and layers in them. I love people to connect directly with works, so I tend to have this kind of aesthetics which connects you and you're drawn into directly without any hesitation. It opens you to and welcomes you to watch, experience the work. They originate a lot from toys, animal-related objects. I love the manufacturing of toys and also the aesthetics of toys, and I think you can see that in my work, that I'm influenced by that. There's a frog doing a handstand. Well, frogs don't do handstand, but in my world they do, or penguins that wear a hat. So I like the animals to behave like humans and also say something by doing that. So it's metaphorically speaking. I like birds because they are free. They can party. They have a party. They can fly away and they do whatever they like. For me, they are an example of total freedom and also playfulness. And they are beautiful. Well, there's so much things I'd like to tell to people and ideas I have in my mind. I think through my work, you can sense or you can tell some messages. But I think mostly the works I do in public space are all about socializing, people coming together and connecting. I feel we kind of drift to a world where we are more and more disconnected from each other. So I think making connections due to and with art in public space is a great thing, and that's what I try to achieve. Stay as a child, look at things, the world in a fresh way every day. If I could do a little about that, and if people look at the world because of my work just a bit different, then I'm already very happy.